In a typical deep learning application, there is a very clear separation between setup and production. For the setup, the customer mounts a camera, in this case a D900, on the production line to collect images of the objects to be inspected. Once a representative set of images has been recorded, these images need to be transferred to a computer running our training software. Typically, that computer is not on the production line, but for example in a vision lab. The customer needs to label these images and train a deep learning model. As you can imagine, that is where most of the time and effort is spent. Typically, we are talking about hundreds, if not thousands of images to label, and of course, long training times. Once that model is optimized and its performance matches the requirements, it is ready for production. At that point, the model is transferred to the camera and deployed on the production line. Note, however, if anything changes, such as the introduction of new products or the replacement of an elimination, the customer needs to go through that same process again. With Edge Learning, we make this process significantly faster and easier. This is mainly enabled by splitting the training process into two steps. The first step is done by us generically pre-training the model on a large body of images. The second step is done by our customer, who adapts that pre-trained model to the actual visual task at hand. Thus, in a way, we have moved the work to label thousands of images and training models for hours to our side. Adjusting to new products or changing environments is as easy as recording and labeling a few images on the production line. Of course, there's a price to pay for that ease of use. This two-step process to learning is not able to solve the most challenging applications. However, it de-skills and accelerates deployment so dramatically that it allows our customers to address many applications which are too complex for rule-based vision, but could not really justify the investment in a full deep learning solution.